Finally, my iPhone 13 is affected with green screen after iOS 17.4.1 update. The whole screen went black and only two tiny green lines are visible on the top of the display. I updated my iPhone 13 2 days back. I made a video on that update, but after 1.5 days, last night the screen blinked for 2 seconds and then went on completely black. This screen damage happened mainly due to the update to the latest version, that is 17.4.1. My iPhone is out of warranty, so there is no chance of free screen replacement. Now I have to pay around 26,000 rupees to replace the screen, and spending that much amount for an old iPhone is not the right decision. This is very pathetic. A reputed brand like Apple is pushing faulty update. They are not verifying their updates. Nowadays, iOS updates are full of bugs. On the one hand, they are alluring the customers about new features in every update. On the other hand, when users are updating their iPhones to the latest versions, their iPhones are getting infected with green screen, white screen, or black screen. After installing the latest iOS 17.4.1, I was very happy. I did not use my iPhone heavily, but one thing I noticed that after the update, the phone was heating excessively. A normal day-to-day task like picking up calls or surfing internet. Ultimately, the new update damaged my iPhone 13. Apple charged a hefty amount for new iPhone actually, but when it comes to giving service to the customers, they don't even acknowledge the issue of screen damage after update. Their software updates damage the hardware of the iPhone. So they immediately need to fix this issue as soon as possible. Otherwise, their market value or trust among the users will decrease day by day. So, if you have any model of iPhones, please do not update to the latest version. Otherwise, you may also have to face various bugs or even screen damage issue in your iPhone. Did you face this issue in your iPhone? Let me know in the comment sections below, and I am very upset with the updates of Apple.